give me some.
I got you.
I'm giving you the early warning.
I got you.
I ain't getting started. There's still some food left?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna be over there. That way?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What's up with it, Wayne? Nothing much, chilling on it. Damn that. Hey, y'all, that Camaro. Oh, they brought a Pro Mod. What's up with it? Dang, they got all my old school people up here, man. Well, look at that Camaro, though. Golly. This here clean. I can't disrespect that, but ooh, that blue on that. Is that blue? Boy, they been wiping on that thing. They been wiping.
Come out with that bullshit.
Man, they been wiping on
that.
Man, damn. I'm still working.
They said that bitch run like a 747.
Yeah, I'm trying to get. Man, who caused this, man?
I was that one.
They did a good job. They did a good job. Let me see what else they got. I don't know what they got over there. I'm gonna go. Y'all want me to see what they got? I'm gonna see what food they got. That's a Pro Mod right there. So they done brought out the Camaros. Okay. Damn, what happened? Oh, they ain't moved. So he alright. Yeah, look at that right there, man. Okay. Dang. Okay. Y'all check. Man, they brought the old schools for real out here. Look. Oh yeah, they done brought. Dang, that's a Cobra. It's that high expensive one right here. Yeah, I already know. This the car. I helped build this car right here. This my old partner car, man. I'm proud of it. What's up with it, man? I'm proud to be a part of helping build it and put a motor in that thing. LS swapped it, man. They been super clean, too. That's my boy Carlos. HTI who threw the event that I know who reached out to me. Old Mac and Carlos. Hey. They doing their thing. What's up with it? Okay. Looking good, y'all. Hey, what's up with it, man? How y'all doing over there?
You see your problem down there?
Yeah, I see it.
What's up?
I'm finna get it.
You finna get some of it?
Yeah, one day.
We're having a meeting. Oh, y'all. Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, they finna have the drivers meeting. What's up with it? We got Jerry in the building.
What up, King?
Jerry, who you racing, man? I need to get you a girl. I just want to see you bet. I just want to see your heart. You bet. I want to hear you say, I got this much.
Locked in right now
With who? Who you locked in with? I want to know your opponent. Ah, man, that's that ain't no race. I want your heart on. Bet whoever you get first round. Bet him an extra 100 or 2 on the side.
Right.
That's what I want to see. Yeah, whoever he get first round, y'all. Let me see what this doing. We at I-30 Dragway. Let me see what this thing right here doing. Ooh, got that good gas that I like. Got it hollering. It's hollering. It's hollering. I did make old I-30 look a little bit better. That do look pretty cool right there. I ain't gonna lie.
Appreciate what you do.
Already appreciate it, man. I'm trying to get out there. What's up with it, GOAT? Let me see. Goated Salve. That's how you say it. Okay, they got some food over there. I'm gonna check that food out in a minute, boy. Nah, this ain't Ennis. It's called I-30 Dragway. It's an old track called Red Line that we got. It's on I-30. Yeah. What's up with it, man? How you doing? Yes,
Everything
sir.
good?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to make everything be good.
Yeah.
I ain't looking for no problem. What's up with it? Yes, sir. Let me see who else we got out here. Okay. What's up with it? Okay. What's up with it, man? I was wondering if you was here, man.
Yeah, you saw the red car. You know I got to be there, my son.
Man, I gotta.
Huh?
You be switching that. Could have been somebody else.
Oh, God.
I
What you
don't know.
doing now?
Man, she was still on YouTube, and well, I done moved over to Twitch.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm on Twitch now, man. My YouTube wasn't.
You still running your car?
Yeah, both of them. I'm doing something to both of them.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm down on both. I got a 2015 Chevy Caprice Supercharged, and I got a 82 Mustang Fox body. It's Supercharged.
Oh, God damn.
I'm coming out both of them LSA Supercharged.
LS?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
I don't do nothing else. Ooh, don't let them go back around you. Oh, man. It ran them down. Golly.
You still going to race a lot?
I still go to, yeah, you got to be on my YouTube channel at least. Let me get you on there. I got dang, do I still got a YouTube channel called? You ain't got to have a high phone.
I ain't got no YouTube channel.
Yeah, you do. You got YouTube.
Yeah, I
Look.
got YouTube.
That's all you need. That's all you need.
Yeah, okay.
What's your
Lookout Racing.
Oh, Lookout Racing.
Yeah. I even got the QR code, like the menu at the restaurant. You just scan it, boop, you there. He already there, probably. It don't take long. Yeah, that's me right there.
Oh, okay.
Get you a subscribe right here, hit that, boom.
okay.
We're going to make sure he do it, boom. Let me see, make sure he got, he ain't signed in, so boom.
But
we
I
can't.
know what it is.
Okay,
now.
bet. Yeah, that's me.
All right,
That's me.
man.
You check it out too, man. I'm going to be on there.
All right, man.
I done switched up to Twitch. I'm going to put the link. Once you get on there, I'm going to send you somewhere else. I'm going to send you somewhere else. Yeah, it's going down though, man. I've been all over the states, man. I've been in Virginia, Florida, Atlanta, South Carolina.
Damn, you go everywhere.
Man, I've been everywhere, man. I've been trying to get it in. They be saying, you doing a good job. I just ain't seeing it. I'm trying to see some.
Yeah, that's good.
I've been, shoot, some of my videos, I'll get about 11,000 views. There go the bad part. The good is that, damn, they got 11,000 views. I'll be like, yeah, that's good.